Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Yadav, English teacher of Signet Public School, New Nare. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So student, I want to tell you one thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change world. What I tell? Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Tell me who wrote this? Of course, Nelson Mandela. Do you know who was Nelson Mandela? Nelson Mandela was the first president of South Africa. He fought against the unjust system of apartheid. Apartheid means what? Separating people according to their color, caste or the religion. So children, it is very bad to separating people according to their color or the caste. Actually, in all over the world, we all are equal here. Nelson Mandela born in 18 July 1980 in the village Meuzo on the big continent South Africa. Nelson Mandela got Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. He was a good person, good political leader. So, today we are going to see the very interesting topic of Standard 5th, a country childhood. This topic related to the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. In this lesson, we will see the first childhood of Nelson Mandela. So, let's go through the interesting story of Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela's mother had 3 huts, one for cooking, other for sleeping and third one for the storage thing. Nowadays in your house there are the 3 rooms. One is kitchen, other is bedroom, third one is hall and one small room which is store room. In this we kept our things. Like that in the Nelson Mandela's hut for the store room. So look at here children. Nelson Mandela's mother cooked very delicious food for the entire family. Nelson Mandela with his family they sit together, eat food and enjoy it lot. Like that the Nelson Mandela was very happy and playful child in his childhood. He shared things with his brother, sister. As like we have seen the Nelson Mandela's happy childhood. So children, I want to ask you one question. When you were 5 years old, what parents gives you? Parents gives you all the facilities, good comfort to go to school and get good marks. But there is opposite condition in the Nelson Mandela's. When the Nelson Mandela was 5 years old, he got the duty to look after the cows and the sheep. Nelson Mandela learned how to gather honey, how to gather fruits and edible roots. Actually, edible roots means what? It is a type of vegetables. Also, the Nelson Mandela learned to swim in the stream. He play with his friend to stick fight. Nowadays, the children also fight with their friends. As like the Nelson Mandela loved the simple beauty of nature in South Africa. So the children, your parents gives you electronic gadget, mobile phone, laptop for your playing. When the Nelson Mandela was the child, that time with his friend, he played with their own made toys. In this they made the animals and blur toys with using the clay. As like he also slid down from the large rock faces of the, as like the Nelson Mandela also slid down from the large rock faces. He ride up on the top of the cows and sheep, as like the very interesting and joyful nature of Nelson Mandela in his childhood. Now we will see the youth of Nelson Mandela. In his youth, Nelson Mandela was very lovable, kind and friendly person. So children, I want to tell you one interesting incident about the Nelson Mandela. When the Nelson Mandela went to the China, There in the luxurious hotel, he made his own bed. Actually, Nelson Mandela always made his own bed. But in the China, it is against to the Chinese hospitality. In the China, Chinese people made bed for their host. Without hurting the feelings of maid lady, Nelson Mandela explained very calmly and kindly to that lady. From this lesson, from this incident, what we understand? That Nelson Mandela was self-made, self-sufficient person. He liked to do things with his own. He was a self-made person. Why I am telling this all these incidents? Because that incident we understand that Nelson Mandela's good qualities. So the another incidents, once an aeroplane trip in Natal in the South Africa, Nelson Mandela discovered the one of the propeller had once an aeroplane trip in the Natal in the South Africa, Nelson Mandela discovered that one of the propeller of the plane had stopped working. Throughout the flight, he just sat calm. He didn't show his expression. Courage means be terrified, be scared, but don't show it. So, the children, what we understand? When you are scared, that time you have to sit calm. Courage means be scared, be terrified, but don't show it. By this lesson, by this incident, after the lesson, Mandela became one of the great person. So children, later in his life, Nelson Mandela got Nobel Peace Prize. As like this is the interesting story of Nelson Mandela. So student, I hope all of you enjoy it lot. So what we learn from this story? Okay, I will tell you. The Nelson Mandela was good political leader. He is a helpful nature, very friendly, self-sufficient and a courageous person. So I thought all of you inculcate all the qualities of Nelson Mandela. So thank you very much. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.